In this video, we are going to see question number 17. There's two questions, 1 and 2. First, we will see the first question. So here it is a proof sum. So we have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. First, we will take the left hand side. Cosecant power 4 theta minus cosecant square theta is given. So in the both the things, cosecant is common. The minimum power is 2, right? So we can take power 2 outside. So when we take power 2 outside, it is 2 into 2. 4 is 2 into 2. So 1 2 is taken outside. Remaining we have another power 3. So cosecant squared minus. Here many students will have confusion. We are taking cosecant square theta out. So what will remain? So here we will have 1. Why is cosecant squared is here taken out? Cosecant square theta into 1 only will become cosecant square theta. Any number multiplied by 1 is the same number. So we have to write 1. We know the identity for cosecant square theta is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So cosecant square 1 if we go outside that side, cosecant square theta minus 1 is cot square theta. So we are going to implement this because right hand side is full of cot theta. So instead of cosecant square theta, we can write 1 plus cot square theta. Cosecant squared theta minus 1 is what? Cot square theta. If nothing is there, it is multiplication. So we have to multiply. 1 into cot theta is cot square theta plus cot square theta into cot square theta. A power m into a power n. If the bases are same, we can add the powers. So cot square theta, here the base is same, cot theta. So 2 here, m is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. So we can rewrite this commutative property. 2 plus 3 is 3 plus 2. So we can write cot power 4 theta plus and cot square theta. That is equal to your RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. We can write hence 2. The main thing here we should know is we should know this identity and also the exponent class. The sum is very easy only. So before stepping into this exercise, revise all the concepts, trigonometric identities and trigonometric ratios that is given in the description. We will go to the second sum, students. So here if you see, we are having LHS. It seems to be a length here, so don't get panic. We will go step by step. Before stepping into the sum, just observe the sum. We have secant, cosecant, cot, tan. So we should remember the identities. What are the identities? We have the tan, secant, and cosecant. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, right? 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta, right? So our RHS contains of cot and tan. Here we have secant and cosecant. So we are going to take first LHS. We are going to write everything in terms of tan and the cot in the left hand side. So first we will write this cosecant square theta. Please see properly the sum and write. Okay. So tell and write cosecant power 4 theta. So 2 secant square theta is what? 1 plus tan square theta, right? So first we are writing this 1 plus tan square theta. Do it patiently, students. So secant power 4 theta, how I can write? We can write secant square theta d square. Okay. Similarly, we'll first change that and write cosecant square theta the whole square. So 2 power 2 is 4 again. So next we will substitute 1 plus tan square theta. Secant square theta, I can write what? 1 plus tan square theta. One more square is there. So whole square minus 2 cosecant square theta. Cosecant we can write it as 1 plus cot square theta. So 2 into 1 plus cot square theta plus cosecant square theta, I can write 1 plus cot square theta. This square also we have to write here. Clear? Now before this we can expand everything. Okay. So 2 into first 1 plus tan square theta. First we will expand this both. Okay. So 1 plus tan theta, tan square theta, the whole square is there. So this is in the form of a plus b whole square. This is a, this is b. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. Otherwise a square plus b square plus 2ab. In a's place we are having 1. So we will write 1 square. In b's place we are having tan square theta. So many of them will do a mistake, will take us the tan theta. Tan square theta the whole square. So it will become what? Tan power 4 theta. Because b is tan square theta. Plus 2 tan square theta. Okay. Minus this one we have to do. We have to write it patiently. Still and write 1 plus cot square theta. Same thing we have to use for a plus b the whole square. Same identity. So 1 square plus b square, b is cot square theta. So b square is cot power 4 theta plus 2 cot square theta. Now we have to multiply everything. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 2 tan square theta minus 1. You have to minus everything. Minus 10 minus tan power 4 theta because plus into minus is minus. Minus 2 tan square theta minus 2 cot square theta plus 1 plus cot power 4 theta minus plus 2 cot square theta. Now we will go here we have plus 2. Right? We are having here minus 2. So plus 2 minus 2 is what? 0. So we can cut this one. That means 0. Then we are going to see, I am using different colors of them. 2 tan square theta. We have to check whether we are having minus 2. Yes, we are having it. So we can strike this both out. Then minus 1 is here, plus 1 is here. So minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Then tan power 4 theta is there. We should see any tan power 4 theta is. No, we don't have anything. So we will square this. Like the pencil we can use. Then if you see we have minus 2 cot square theta. We have plus 2 cot square theta. So we can strike out that is also 0. So remaining on this both only. First we can write the plus 3. Cot power 4 theta. Here we have minus. So minus tan power 3. It's very easy only. Only thing we have to do is with patience. That is the right hand side. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, hope you understood, students. If you have any doubts, you can give in your comment section. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next video with question number 18. Thank you so much.